Alright, so hey guys, back again with another video. Please excuse my whole entire hair and my face right now. I look like a hot mess, I know. I woke up not too long ago. So today we're going to be coloring my hair a brand new color. This is going to be completely unexpected. Well, no. Silver was my most unexpected color. I'm not going to tell you the color. It's going to be a secret. You'll see the color of my hair and the finished results at the end of the video if you decide to stick around that long, that is. I think you saw in the thumbnail we're not going to be using Overtone this time. We're going to be using a different product from a different line. So I actually came to the conclusion that Overtone's coloring conditioners are very pigmented. And if I'm going to recommend something, if you're looking for a very light and pastel color, do not leave the coloring conditioner in your hair for the full 15 minutes. I say maybe 5 or 10 minutes. Because if you leave it in for the full 15 minutes, you're going to get everything but light and pastel, so don't do that. Quick reminder that this is not a sponsored video. You know, I just wanted to color my hair and get it on camera. I did buy this product for like $20 to $30 on Amazon, so it's like really cheap. So if you're looking for demi permanent color, just go to Amazon and check over there to see what they got. We're going to be using the demi permanent color from the Chromasilk line. Now I did use one of their products before to color my hair pink, so I colored my hair pink. I got the color I wanted only after a few washes, but that only means that I didn't dilute the color enough before applying it. So I wasn't salty about that or anything, it's fine. We're not going to be diluting this one. We're just going to pour and apply it straight from the tube. And that's all I got to really say about the product. Now I got to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Is it focusing? I hope it's focusing. This is what the product is. This is what we're going to be applying to my hair. So before we start, let me actually go ahead and put on my gloves, because last time I didn't put on my gloves when I was coloring my hair pink, and my hands and my nails were pink for like 2 to 3 weeks. It wasn't pleasant. It honestly looked like I had coronavirus. It didn't snap like I wanted it to. Before we actually get started, let me just go ahead and open up it's my Red Bull. You know what I actually noticed? Is that you guys are actually still going to be able to see the color when I apply it to my hair. So much for a big surprise, right? That's so crazy. So I got my little brush instrument and we're now ready to apply it to my hair. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna do here is I'm gonna mute this little clip because my brother came in the bathroom and he wouldn't stop talking, and you guys don't need to hear all of that. And what I'm actually going to do, and I know this is a little extra, but it's okay, I'm gonna put on a little gray filter on all the clips of me coloring my hair so you guys can't actually see what color I'm putting in my hair. If you do want to skip the whole procedure and see my hair color already though, you can skip to like 4 to 5 minutes. That's where I'm giving my quick review, so if you want to go ahead and do that, you can. I wasn't actually able to even say anything during this whole procedure because my family came upstairs and they were making so much noise. So I'm probably gonna mute this and like maybe do a voiceover or something, or just speed it through. Whatever I decide to do, who knows. I should have bought 2. 1 definitely was not enough. Now that we colored the whole thing, I just gotta leave this on for like 40 minutes to an hour, and then I gotta wash it off. I'm gonna see you guys either tomorrow or in 2 days from now with the finished results, and you guys are gonna see what it looks like. I hope it turns out really well. I don't think I had enough. I should have bought 2. If that's the case, I'll just buy another one and slap it on when that comes in. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys shortly. So this over here is my new hair color. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is my blue. This is what it'd be looking like outside. I don't know if you guys can see that properly. It's my new hair color. This is what I'd be looking like outside. Okay, so this is actually 1 week later. What I had to do was buy another demi-permanent color to apply to my hair because I didn't have enough to go in my roots, so my roots were yellow and my hair was blue. I am still wondering how I managed to get everything, but the most important part, my roots. I had no idea what I was doing on that day. Too much Red Bull. So I did my roots yesterday and that didn't really do anything to my roots. I mean, it just made it go from a bright yellow to like a greenish yellow fading into the blue that you guys see right now. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera or not. So like that's that, you know. I mean, I don't really like it, but I'm not going to be upset about it or anything. I'm just going to keep it like this. I mean, it's not really bothering me. So my new hair color, of course, is like a bright blue. Blue is actually my favorite color, so it was only a matter of time until this happened, you know? I also do really like pastel colors, and low-key that's what I was going for here, but I think I failed. I don't know. You guys are gonna be the judge of that. I was planning on changing my hair color sometime this month, but I decided to put the bleach down for a while and let my hair grow out and recuperate from all the bleaching I've been doing. So to like the very untrained eye and people who know like nothing about hair, this looks completely fine, right? What you're actually seeing on my head right now is very far from being in good condition. It's very damaged, it's very broken, it's just overly dead. So I'm actually not going to be doing any more bleaching. I'm just going to be growing my hair out and taking care of it and maintaining this blue at the same time. So that's until like August, September, and then that's when you guys are going to see a brand new color. And my new color, of course, I'm not going to tell you guys now. It's going to be a secret. Like I said earlier, this isn't as much as a big surprise as I wanted it to be. It's just like, oh, I colored my hair and there you guys go, you know? But my big surprise is going to be down on my Instagram page. You guys are going to be seeing me and my hair in its final form. I'm going to be doing a photo shoot soon, and then that's where you guys are going to be seeing Hot Boy Summer. So don't forget to go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. My tag is going to be right here where it usually is, along with my link and all the important stuff down in the description below. And we're going to be wrapping up the video here. If you guys did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. That'll be much appreciated. Thank you. And yeah, that's going to be it. I'm going to see you guys next week, hopefully next week, or the day after, or like in 2 weeks from now, like I say in all my videos. I'll be seeing you guys soon with a brand new video.